and I'm coming to you with the IC course. So IC is a psychic development course, and why is psychic development important? For me, understanding and learning to see and sense subtle energy has totally opened up my world in new ways. I've learned how to identify sickness in myself, certain consciousnesses, learned about transformation. I've learned how to read energy in others, which has helped me become a better relator. And so I created this little mini course, 4-week course of psychic development tools to learn how to read the energy in yourself and others. So in this course we have a module on chakra consciousness, so learning about the energy centers in the body, what they mean, what energies are associated with each, and what part of the body is associated with each as well. And so understanding chakra consciousness is a great tool for doing psychic readings, for learning again about illness and things of that nature. We store different energies in different parts of our bodies, and so learning about that can give you a better understanding of yourself and others. We also have a module on developing the clairs, so clairaudience, clairsentience, clairvoyance, claircognizance, what these means, tools and techniques to increase your abilities and gain higher states of awareness and perception and develop your intuition, essentially. So these are really great. Clairvoyance for seeing energy in others. You can see a person's feelings. You can see what's happening. You can see when something's wrong. Learning how to hear energy. Also just connecting to the higher states of alignment, spiritual communication, things of that nature. And then we have auric personality types. So what are the auric personality types? What does that mean? What is my auric personality type, and how does that affect my relationships? And how do I identify these auric personality types? So there's a module on that as well. Really great for learning how to perceive and read energy of body types, and really great for understanding your relationship to self, and also how those auric personality types affect your relationships to others. And the final module is about auras. So learning how to read auras. What do the aura colors mean? What is in an aura? And all of those things. So learning how to sort of tune into the energy field. Where does it start? Where does it end? What are the layers? And what does it mean? And so each module is accompanied with a practice for developing and sharpening your tools. And this is just a great course for beginners or people who have been practicing a while that maybe want some extra tools to help them relate better, or maybe you want some extra tools to use with your clients if you're already a healing practitioner or a counselor of sorts. Psychic development and understanding energy can open you up to life in whole new ways. It can create better alignment for manifesting, for creating right relationships, and also for healing sickness, disease, and discomfort in the body. So as a practitioner, I found that when I started studying subtle energy, it just opened up my life in really profound and beautiful ways, and continues to do so. So I brought this course for you as a psychic trainer, and I hope you have a great time with IC. Thank you for watching.